If you need to connect Mailchimp to another app, automate your email workflow, or give a tool access to your account, one of the first things you may need is your Mailchimp API key. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find it and create a new one if needed, step by step. This is a quick process, but it's important to do it carefully so you can copy the right key and keep your account organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the page loads, sign into your Mailchimp account using your email address and password. If you're already logged in, you'll go straight to the dashboard. After you're inside your account, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the menu. From the drop-down list, select Account and Billing. This is where Mailchimp keeps your account level settings, billing information, and developer tools. Now that you're on the account page, look near the top of the page for the Extras tab. Click Extras, and from the menu that appears, choose API Keys. This will take you to the page where all of your existing Mailchimp API keys are listed. If you already have a key, you'll be able to see it here, along with any other keys you've created in the past. If you don't already have an API key, or if you want to generate a fresh one, click Create a Key. Mailchimp will ask you to name the key, so give it a clear name that helps you remember what it's for. For example, you could name it based on the app or integration you plan to use. After entering the name, click Generate Key. Mailchimp will create the API key for you right away. Once the key appears, copy it carefully and store it somewhere secure, because you may need to paste it into another app or integration. Make sure you copy the full key exactly as shown. After you've copied it, click Done to finish. And that's it. You've now found your Mailchimp API key and created a new one if needed. From here, you can use it to connect Mailchimp with other platforms and tools. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.